Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and a vertical asymptote. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals 5. Which of the following could be in an expression for f of x? If you're talking about a rational functions consist of numerators and the denominators, a over b. So in this case, we're talking about a vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptotes are all related to denominators. So vertical asymptotes. Just put the asymptotes like this. So in the denominator section, we must have an expression. When you make it equal to 0 and when you solve for x, that's going to give you 5. So what would it be? Isn't it x minus 5? Because when you solve x minus 5 equals 0, and that's, you get 5 for the x. So our logic is this: we're looking at the denominators and we're looking for the x minus 5 in it. Choice A, we have x plus 4 and x plus 1. So we can go ahead and eliminate the choice A because it didn't have x minus 5 in it in the denominator. Choice B, we have x minus 5, yes, and these x minus 2's canceling each other out. The final version becomes x minus 7 over x minus 5. Correct answer is choice B. Choice C, we don't have x minus 5 in the denominator. We can eliminate the choice C then. In the choice D, do we have x minus 5 in the denominator? No. We have x plus 3 and x plus 2. Then we can go ahead and eliminate the choice D as well. So our correct answer is, again, for this type of for this question, is choice B. And this is how you solve this type of questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.